Hello children, Priya Mrs. here. From today we are going to see culmination. Culmination is the end point or final stage of something. Today we are going to see ending part of the lesson seasons. You have been enjoying learning all the seasons from evaluation 4 in the PBL subject. Our today's story name is Magic of Seasons. This story is the last story of PBL. Let's read the story Magic of Seasons. It was a pleasant day. Joy and his friend Kelly went to a scrap dealer to buy an old watch for Joy's project. The scrap dealer showed them many watches, but they were too expensive. While leaving, Joy spotted a rusty watch laying on the floor. He picked it up and smiled as if he had found just what he wanted. He asked for its price and found it to be cheap. He purchased it in no time. When he reached home, he tried to clean the watch with a piece of cloth. As he was rubbing it, out came a genie. Joy fell back in shock. The genie said, "Don't worry, master. I will not harm you. I was trapped inside the watch for many years. Thank you for setting me free. I will do whatever you say." Joy was not afraid of the genie anymore. They became good friends. Joy called him Abraham. One day, Abraham told Joy about his sister, Annie, whom he wanted to visit. Joy asked, "Where does Annie live?" Abraham replied, "She lives in fairyland." Joy was excited and said, "Take me along, please." Abraham held Joy's hand and murmured a few magical words, and in the blink of an eye, they reached fairyland. Annie was very happy to see them. When Abraham told her how Joy had set him free, she said, "I am thankful to you, master. Welcome to fairyland. I would love to serve you." Joy felt special. He liked fairyland. Annie told him, "This place is very beautiful, but for one thing, seasons change here frequently, and no magic is able to fix it. I am unable to change them according to my needs." Joy did not believe this. Suddenly, they heard a loud thunder. Annie pointed towards a cupboard and asked them to quickly take out raincoats and umbrellas. Joy asked Abraham to do some magic, but it was in vain. Joy had no option but to wear those clothes. Looking for clothes in a hurry, he created a mess, which Annie and Abraham had to clear. But luckily, Joy found some clothes for himself. He wore them. Annie gave him something to eat. Suddenly, it started snowing. Now let's know the meanings of the new words. Pleasant. Pleasant means enjoyable or nice. Scrap. Scrap means a small piece of something. मतलब किसी चीज़ का टुकड़ा या भंगार. Expensive. Expensive means costing a lot of money. बहुत महंगा. Cheap. Cheap means costing little money. Cheap मतलब कम कीमत का. Rust. Rust means a reddish brown substance that forms on the surface of iron. Rust मतलब जंग. Rust म्हणजे गंज. Shock. Shock means surprise. Trap. Trap means catch. Murmur. Murmur means whisper. Murmur means to say something in a low, quiet voice. Frequent. Frequent means often or regularly. Mess. Mess means litter. Genie. Genie, a spirit with magic powers, especially one that lives in a bottle or a lamp. Children, now let's come back to the story. This story is about the place where season changes frequently, and Joy's friend Ginny was unable to fix it by using his magic. Children, we change our needs and routine according to seasons. Joy wanted an old watch for his project, so he went to a scrap dealer with his friend Kelly. Scrap. Scrap means a small piece of something. A scrap dealer is a person who collects scrap and then sells it on for profit. He is a scrap dealer. We can get many old things stock with him. So, Joy and Kelly went to the scrap dealer. He showed them many expensive watches. Expensive means costing a lot of money. But Joy wanted something different. Then he found a rusty watch laying on the floor. He picked it up and smiled as if he had found just what he wanted. That watch was cheap, so he purchased it. Cheap means costing little money. He reached home and started to clean it with a piece of cloth. As he was rubbing it, a genie came out. Joy fell back in shock. Look at this picture. Joy surprised because the genie came out from the old watch. He said, "Don't worry, master, I will not harm you. I was trapped inside the watch for many years. Thank you for setting me free. I will do whatever you say." Children, do you remember the cartoon program in which Genie was there? I know one program, Aladdin Ka Chirag. We see that genies are having some magic powers to change anything. So here, Joy also got a genie who could fulfill his all the wishes. Now, Joy was not afraid of the genie. They became friends and Joy called him Abraham. One day, Abraham wanted to meet his sister Annie, who lived in a fairyland. Joy was excited to see fairyland and he requested Genie to take him to the fairyland. Abraham held Joy's hand and murmured a few magical words. Murmur means whisper or to say something in a low, quiet voice. Abraham murmured few magical words, and in the blink of eye, they reached fairyland. And he was very happy to see them. And he said, "Master, welcome to fairyland. I would love to serve you." So, Joy felt special. He liked fairyland. Annie told him this place is very beautiful, but seasons change here frequently. Annie was also having some magic powers like Abraham. Joy did not believe that both genies were unable to change the seasons. Their magic was useless here. When they all were talking, suddenly they heard a loud thunder. Thunder is the loud noise in the sky that you can hear when there is a storm and that usually comes after a flash of light. Children, we hear thunder in rainy season. Annie asked them to quickly take out raincoats and umbrellas from the cupboard. Joy asked Abraham to do some magic, but it was in vain. Vain means useless. Joy had no option but to wear those clothes. In hurry, Joy was finding clothes and she created a mess. Look at this picture. Mess means litter. Joy found some clothes for himself. He wore them and Annie gave him something to eat. We all like to drink and eat hot food items in rainy season. When they were preparing themselves for rainy season, it started snowing. It means rainy season suddenly changed into snowing. Look at this picture of snowing. Snow is a form of ice. Children, snow forms when water in the atmosphere becomes frozen. Snow comes in all different shapes and sizes. Now children, you can extend this story by adding different seasons. Extend. Extend means to make longer. Now you have to do one more activity in your free time with your any family member. You have been learning about seasons from many days. Now it's time to show how much you have understood. You have to discuss any one season by using some points. Number 1. Characteristics of the seasons. Characteristic means quality. Visheshta. Second, food people eat in the season. Third one, impact of the season on plants and animals. Impact means an effect. Fourth one, precautions to be taken in the season. Precautions means safeguards. Fifth one is things you do in the season. Sixth one is any other interesting information you want to share. Thank you. Take care.